So I think that there is a lot of potential in Bitcoin and all the associated technologies that come out of Bitcoin, the blockchain, smart contracts, et cetera. One group, Tezos, has created a token that's very decentralized, and then the token itself has provided a new way of governing. And there are many other tokens like it who are creating other forms of governing. And I think that kind of can get us thinking about new ways for operating as a planet. And this is really something extraordinary. A lot of developers are looking and saying, hey, how can I develop new things for Tezos, much like they do for Bitcoin and other tokens.